Hi guys! Welcome back to Kuya Eric Vlog. So finally, nagbabalik po tayo after so many years and this is a different vlog because before I used to share the word wherein gagawin ko rin naman sa mga susunod na vlog but this time sa different vlog content. So bago tayo magpatuloy, make sure na nakalike po tayo sa page and nakasubscribe po tayo sa ating YouTube channel na Kuya Eric Vlogs. Okay, so for this vlog, we will be playing a game na tinatawag nating Quiz On. Ayan, no, yung aking apelido. And for this time, it's a Bible Characters Edition. So meaning, we will be guessing kung sino ba yung tinutukoy ng mga questions. So dito masusubok if we are knowledgeable sa Bible o hindi. Kung hindi, patay tayo sa ating Sunday school teacher. So there will be questions and make sure na tama ang ating mga sagot. So okay, let's begin ang ating Quiz on Bible Characters Edition. So, for the first question, guys, etong unang tanong. Who were the three sons of Adam and Eve listed in the Bible? Okay, sino ba sila? Letter A. Letter A, Cain, Nimrod, and Abel. Letter B, Cain, Abel, and Seth. Or letter C, Cain, Abel, and Adam Jr. Okay, anong sagot? Okay, the answer is, i-reveal na ba natin? Mag-isip muna tayo. Okay, the answer is letter B. Yan, si Cain or Cain, si Abel, at saka si Seth. Yan, sila yung mga anak ni Adam and Eve na nakalista sa Bible. Okay, tama ba kayo? Okay, punta tayo sa question number 2. So, question number 2. She asked to be called Mara because of her miserable experiences. So, sino ba to? Letter A, Bathsheba. Letter B, si Ruth. Or letter C, Naomi. So, the answer is, sino guys? Tama ba kayo ng hula? Okay, the answer is letter C. Yan, Naomi. You can see her story sa Book of Ruth. Ano nga pala, ibig sabihin ng Mara is bitter. So dati, tawag niya sa sarili niya is Naomi or pleasant, pero afterwards, after na mga nangyari, binago niya yung name niya na Mara or bitter. Okay? So, punta tayo sa question number 3. This angel brought the news to Mary about her giving birth to Jesus, the Messiah. So, ang letter A ay si Michael, B. Gabriel, or letter C. Lucifer. Okay, lang sagot natin ay letter B. Gabriel. Okay, so question number 4 naman tayo. According to the Bible, who was the oldest man who ever lived? Ayan, sinong pinakamahabang buhay ayon sa Biblia? Letter A, siya ba si Abraham? Letter B, Methuselah? Or letter C, Lazarus? Sino kaya dito? Abraham, Methuselah, or Lazarus? Naku, kung di natin alam, pag-aralan natin ng Bible. Okay, so, guys, the answer is letter B, si Methuselah. So, siya yung nabuhay ng 969 years sa Bible. So, siya yung yung tao na nabuhay ng pinakamahaba. Gusto niyo ba yun? 969. Okay, so, punta tayo sa question number 5. So, ito naman, who am I? Sino yung tinutukoy dito sa ating question number 5? Ito yung description sa kanya. I was born because God promised my mother she would have a child. I grew up in the temple with a prophet named Eli or Eli. Who am I? So, sino ba yung tinutukoy dito? Letter A, Jesus Christ. B, David. Or letter C, Samuel. Sino kaya yan? Okay, the answer is, anong letter? Letter C. Ayan, si Samuel. Ang nanay niya pala, guys, ay si Hannah. Tama ba kayo ng sagot? Ilan na kayo out of 5? Okay, question number 6. Ito, another description. Medyo mahaba lang, Ang description sa kanya, I was my father's first son. He and his wife didn't think they could have children, so my mother gave him a son. When my father's wife had a child, my mother and I were sent away so she wouldn't have to look at me. God blessed me and I became the head of a nation. Who am I? Parang ang komplikado ng buhay nitong ang tutukoy natin. Letter A, siya ba si Isaac? Letter B, siya ba si Ishmael? Or letter C, si Abraham ba ang tinutukoy dito? So, what's your guess? What's your guess, guys? Okay, ang sagot dito ay letter B, Ishmael. So, ayan, siya yung tinutukoy sa ating question number 6. Okay? So, question number 7. Ito naman, sabi niya, I became king at the age of 8. I devoted myself to getting rid of idols when I was 16. While restoring the temple, my people found the Pentateuch written by Moses. Who am I? So, we're talking about the king. Dito, I guess, ano? Letter A, Solomon. Letter B, Jehoshaphat. And letter C, Josiah. So, sabi, I became king at the age of 8. So, siguro siya yung pinakabatang king sa history ng Bible. So, the answer, guys, ay letter C. Ayan, si Josiah yung ating tinutukoy. Okay, question number 8. Nako, nakailan na ba kayo? Ito, who rolled sa New Testament naman, Who rolled away the stone covering the tomb where Jesus' body lay? So, ayan, sino yung tinutukoy dito na nag-usog daw or nag-rolled away? Nag-rolled away. Basta yun, nag-usog ng stone na nakakover sa tomb ni Jesus. Letter A, the Roman soldiers. Yan, madami sila, no? Letter B, an angel of the Lord. Or letter C, women. May mga babae nung time na iyon. Sino kaya, guys? Who rolled away the stone? Answer is letter B, an angel of the Lord. So, makita niyo yan sa Gospels. You can study that. Okay, question number 9. Eto, guys. Who fell out of a window after falling asleep while Paul was preaching? Ako yung mga natutulog niya pag preaching, ha. Natutulog siya dahil doon, laglag daw siya sa bintana. Hindi ko alam kung ilang floor, So, sino tinutukoy dito? Letter A, si Timothy ba yun? Nakikinig, tapos nakatulog, nalaglag mula sa window. Letter B, Eutychus. Familiar ba sa inyo yan? Or letter C, si Silas. The answer ay letter B, si Eutychus. So, nasa Book of Acts yan, makita natin. So, last question, guys. Itama nyo naman na ito kung wala pa kayo natatama. So, question number 10. Ating description sa kanya, I captured Christians and sent them to their death. Later, I too became a Christian and was one of the most zealous and well-known missionaries of all time. Mga clue tayo na makikita dito. Letter A, Paul. Letter B, Peter. Or letter C, John. Sino matinutukoy dito, guys? So, tamang sagot dito, I think, alam natin to, ay letter A, si Paul. Ayan, siya yung talagang may drastic change sa buhay niya, from persecuting Christians, pero now, sa Bible, he was sharing the gospel. So, out of 10, ilan ang sagot mo? Comment mo lang, and please don't forget to share this video. So, stay tuned, guys, for more content. Abangan nyo yung mga susunod nating content. Thank you so much. God bless.